Welcome to our YouTube channel Reset Esquizins, dedicated to lovers of cooking and sweets. In this video, we present our selection of the 15 best autumn chocolate dessert ideas that will delight your taste buds and warm your heart during this cozy season. Whether you are a chocolate lover or an aspiring chef, these recipes will inspire you to bring a bit of sweet comfort to your table. Introduction. Autumn is the season of warm colors, cozy evenings, and, of course, comforting desserts. What better way to fully enjoy this period than with a chocolate dessert? In this video, we will introduce you to simple and delicious recipes that showcase chocolate in all its forms: gooey, soft, crunchy. There is something for everyone. Body of the video. Throughout this video, we will show you a variety of recipes ranging from revisited classics to more daring creations. Here is a glimpse of what you will discover. 1. Chocolate and pecan brownies, an essential classic, rich and chewy. 2. Chocolate and salted caramel tart, an explosion of sweet and salty flavors that will delight your guests. 3. Dark chocolate mousse with autumn spices, a light delight with a hint of spice. 4. Pear and chocolate crumble, a perfect mix of fruits and crisp chocolate. 5. Chocolate and hazelnut chunk cookies, perfect to accompany a hot coffee. 6. Chocolate and squash cake, a surprising and delicious dessert, ideal for using seasonal vegetables. 7. Chai tea chocolate truffles, small refined bites to share. 8. White chocolate panna cotta with apple compote, an elegant and creamy dessert. 9. Spiced hot chocolate, the ultimate comforting drink for cool days. 10. Chocolate and maple syrup cupcakes, soft and moist, perfect for autumn festivities. 11. Chocolate and autumn fruit pavlova, a light meringue topped with chocolate and fruits. 12. Chocolate and spice brioche, a gourmet breakfast to start the day right. 13. Chocolate soufflé, an airy dessert that will impress your guests. 14. Homemade chocolate bars, easy to make and customizable to your liking. 15. Chocolate bread pudding, a delicious way to recycle stale bread. Benefits of watching this video. By watching this video, you will not only learn delicious recipes, but also discover cooking tips to succeed in every dessert. Additionally, you will find inspiration for your next gatherings or simply for a sweet moment with family. Call to action. If you love chocolate as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to not miss any of our future sweet recipes. Share this video with your friends and let us know in the comments which chocolate dessert you are most excited to try this autumn. Tags: Raute Desserts Autumn, Raute Chocolate Recipes, Raute Easy Cooking, Raute Gourmet, Raute Homemade Pastry, Raute Saisonal Recipes. Hashtags: Hashtag chocolate, hashtag desserts, hashtag autumn, hashtag recipes, hashtag pastry, hashtag gourmet. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for new culinary adventures. Elena had always been passionate about desserts, but making the perfect one had always eluded her. One chilly autumn afternoon, she decided to create something different: a mousse au chocolat noir with a twist, autumn spices. In her cozy kitchen, soft rays of sunlight filtered through the window, illuminating the ingredients she'd gathered: dark chocolate, cream, eggs, and a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. She melted the dark chocolate gently, the rich aroma filling the room, a bittersweet prelude to the adventure she was about to undertake. Whisking the cream until it formed soft peaks, Elena then carefully folded in the melted chocolate, followed by the spices. Each stroke of her spatula felt like a step closer to a masterful creation. The cinnamon added warmth, the nutmeg brought a nutty aroma, and the cloves provided a unique sharpness. Once the mousse was ready, she spooned it into elegant glasses, letting it chill in the refrigerator for several hours. As she waited, Elena couldn't help but imagine the delight on her friends' faces when they tasted her creation. Evening arrived, and her friends gathered around the dining table, curiosity piqued by the inviting presentation of the mousse. With a hint of suspense, they took their first bites. The smooth, airy texture melted in their mouths, giving way to the rich, dark chocolate flavor, perfectly complemented by the well-balanced spices. Gasps of delight and nods of appreciation filled the room. Elena watched, a smile spreading across her face, knowing that she had finally achieved her goal. The mousse au chocolat noir et epics d'automne was not just a dessert, it was an experience, a celebration of flavors that captured the essence of autumn in every bite. That night, surrounded by laughter and contentment, Elena realized that the joy of creating something delicious was made even more special when shared with others. In a quaint little town where everyone knew each other, lived an old pastry chef named Mr. Hamilton. With a sprinkle of time-honored recipes and a dash of innovation, his desserts had become the beating heart of the community. But there was one recipe that stood head and shoulders above the rest, his renowned chocolate mousse delight. Thick, creamy, and impossibly smooth, it was the talk of the town. But behind this beloved dessert lay a story few knew. Mr. Hamilton wasn't always the jolly, twinkly-eyed man everyone adored. Decades ago, he was a professional chocolatier in a bustling city. Ambition fueled his every move until an unexpected tragedy made him rethink his life's purpose. Seeking solace, he journeyed to the quiet town and decided to start anew. It was in this tranquil setting he stumbled upon the old recipe books of his late grandmother, who was the town's cherished baker. One night, while leafing through the yellowed pages, he found it, a mousse recipe marked with a single star in the corner. Intrigued, he gave it a try. Mixing the finest cocoa with fresh cream, sugar, and a touch of vanilla, the taste transported him back to his childhood, to simpler times filled with laughter and love. From that day, chocolate mousse delight became his signature dish. Each spoonful was like a warm hug from his past. As the mousse gained fame, Mr. Hamilton shared the story with the locals, each detail evoking memories of the town's history and the grandmother's legacy.